How to remove Collaborator on Instagram after posting. If you have a post on Instagram with a collaborator and you want to remove them, you can do it with just a few simple steps. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Find the post that has the collaboration and tap on it. In the top right corner of the post, tap on the three dots to open a menu. From the menu, select Edit. Now, look for a person icon in the lower left corner of the post and tap on it. This will show you all the collaborators and tagged accounts. To remove someone as a collaborator, tap on the small X next to their name. If you want to remove multiple collaborators, repeat this step for each one. Once you've removed the collaborators, tap the Done button in the top right corner to save the changes. A confirmation message may appear. Tap the Done button again to confirm. After these steps, the collaboration tag will be removed from the Instagram post. That's how to remove Collaborator on Instagram after posting.